Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Monday, April 6, 2020. And the signal I have to share for you is for CADCHF, okay? Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc, okay? And this is something I haven't really shared in a long time. But if you look here in the 4-hour chart, it has a very, very strong signal to sell. And it's already dropping. Now, this is kind of a fresh signal. So I would probably wait another candle, another 4 hours before I jump into this trade. Okay, right now it's just fighting up and down, and there's a lot of fight between the bulls and the bears. If we look at the 1-hour chart, we do see that it's starting to drop. Okay, and typically what happens here with these type of signals, the price is going to drop and then come back up to the same level of resistance. Okay, so I would guess right now it's too soon to tell, but I would guess the price is going to drop a ways and then come back up, and you have like a double top, I call it. So we can expect, you know, this to be going down long term. If you wanted to jump into the sell now, you could, but like I said, if you use a 4-hour chart, I would wait until the next candle. Okay, if the next candle is red and it's dropping, then perfect, you can get into this trade and hold it for long term. All right, now the thing is, what's interesting here is we had a red arrow but never had a blue arrow. Okay, so what you can do is once you place the trade, then close it when you get the next blue arrow on a 1-hour chart or even 30-minute chart. Okay, that way you know exactly when to close, and also you don't have to use any take profit or stop loss. Okay, so that is a really, really good advantage there. Now, if you want to pretty much set and forget this, I would recommend using a take profit, and I would also recommend setting a pending order. Okay, so how we do this is draw a Fibonacci. Okay, you go over here on the toolbar and click the F for Fibonacci, draw Fibonacci, and go from the previous color arrow, which is the blue arrow, and draw up to the current arrow, I mean the current red arrow here. So we go from the bottom of this candle up to this candle. Okay, just like that. And see, that's a very strong resistance right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a sell stop pending order just below this 23.6 level. Okay, and then put a take profit a little ways above the 38.2. Okay, and how we do that is go right here in the toolbar and click on new order. Okay, and then go right here where it says type of order, change that from market execution to pending order. Okay, and then for the type of order right here, change it to sell stop. All right, and the at price, there's a tick mark already right here, so I'm going to use that price right there. You don't have to, but I'm going to use that one just for now, which is 0.68555. Okay, and then for take profit, I'm going to use this other tick mark right here, which is 0.68250. Okay, now I can readjust this, but yeah, see here, it's a little too close. I have a big gap here, but none. So all I gotta do is grab this green line, which is sell stop, and just bring it down. I can grab right here if I want, and just bring it down. And oops, let me click that. It's a new demo account, but bring this down just a little bit. So that way there's an equal space between here and here. Okay, you want it to be pretty much the same. So this way, this will be a long-term trade. Okay, this will be a long-term trade. You cannot expect this to close today. Probably this week, I don't know. But you know, like I said, that's 305 pips. That's pretty good right there. That's not so bad. But this is a 4-hour chart, so we can expect it to come down to this level here to 23.6 and bounce back up, like I said before. So that might take another day or two, a couple days, and then back down again, and that'll take another day, and then finally break down. So this might not trigger until Thursday, Friday, I don't know. Okay, so do not expect, if you use a pending order, do not expect, you know, for this to take place anytime soon. Okay, but this is okay. This is, like I said, this is a long-term strategy, but the good thing is it's a safe and secure strategy. Okay, if you place a trade right now, it's going to drop, but it might retrace and come back up. Okay, and you will have have to incur swap fees every single day that the trade is open. So yes, you can trade now and hold for long term. Okay, if you hold it for the next couple of weeks, probably the next 2 weeks, it's definitely going to drop. Okay, and then wait till it comes down somewhere in here. You see it had a level of support right here, so it's probably going to come back down to that same level. All right, now we did notice that this resistance is higher than where it came here before, so we are in an uptrend kind of, and I would not expect this to drop all the way back down here or anything. So do not put multiple pennant orders. If you put a pennant order, put that one pennant order and that's it. Be done. Okay, so anyhow, my free daily signal is for CADCHFs as a sell. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Hit me up on Facebook. My personal Facebook is in a link below in the description of this video. Please contact me there first. Okay, also there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can request to join that as well. Okay, you can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, and then myself or other traders, we can all collaborate and assist you. Okay, so with that said, let me know if I can help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.